Okay, in this lesson we're going to work with traversal lines and naming the different types of angles that can occur within those lines. So as a quick reminder, a traversal line is a line that crosses any two other lines. Now, it's mostly going to focus on these four types of angles that we can name. So the first one is co-interior angles, and we can spot these when we get a C. Corresponding angles produce an F, so we can find these when we draw an F, really upside down. Alternate angles we get with a Z, and lastly, vertical angles form an X. So with the different questions, refer back to these, and because they're parallel lines, then the angles are going to be congruent, apart from the co-interior angles, which are supplementary. So let's have a look now at the types of questions we're going to get. So here in this first question, we have two parallel lines, and we're asked to find out which angles are vertical angles. So if we take this first one, UTW, sorry, rub that bit a little. UTW is this angle, and STR, so STR. So these are vertical angles. Notice it makes an X. So this is a correct vertical angle. We've got one angle here, which is opposite one angle there. These are vertical angles. So we select that one. We have to check them all. UTW,
Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum.
Okay, so we've got UTW, and the other one is VWY. So here, this shape is nothing. These angles have no relation. UTW and XWT. XWT. Notice it forms a C. These angles are co-interior angles, but we're after vertical angles. UTW and VWT. VWT. Notice this forms a Z. These are alternate angles.
Teaching two people.
Okay, so let's see. Excellent. So most of the questions work around the same idea. On this one, we need to find out which angles are adjacent angles. So we need to line them up. We got to start with I, H, J, and then we look at each one. D, E, H, D, E, H. These are nothing. FEC, FEC. These ones are, because we're looking at this angle here and this angle here, these are co-exterior angles, these ones. But that's not what we're after. We need IHJ and IHE. IHE. Now, these are adjacent angles because they share the same vertex, they share a side, and they have no included interior space, which is in common. So this one. Let's just check DEC. DEC. No, not these ones.